Today I would like to tell you about the future of treatment of osteoarthritis. Currently, there is no effective cure. There are only solutions which can delay progression of disease, alleviate symptoms. However, none of them can really address the root cause of the disease.
Thanks to the PAR technology, we can avoid using prostheses and other solutions based on the artificial materials, the use of which leads to the irreversible damage of joint tissues. This means no need for joint replacement and avoiding complications and discomfort associated with them.
PAR has curative potential. It leads to regeneration based on fully functional cartilage tissue, ensuring histological integration with the patient's tissues as well as maintaining all the mechanical properties of hyaline cartilage. No other technology offers such potential. ArThec offers not just a new method of treatment. PAR is the future, and future is just around the corner.